What are the progressive levels of bhakti? And that's known by everyone. And we're all struggling up that ladder. Step 1, step 2. Shraddha, Sarusanga, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivriti, Aparats, Anarthas, Aparats, Anarthas, Aparats, Anarthas, Aparats, Anarthas, Aparats, Anarthas, Nishta. And you get to that step of Nishta. And wow. Goodbye, Aparats. Goodbye, Anarthas. I mean, a whole lot of them are down there. Let me just take a breath. Nishta. And Nishta, and then, it's taste. Joy, peace, relief. Shubhada. And gradually, asakti, then bhava. So everywhere there's the gradation, there's incremental steps of advancement, even to the level of perfection of prema, and that's being revealed in Madhurya Kadambani, shower number 8.